Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another video. It's time to unbox the Redmi Note 15. And guys, this is a new mid-range phone from Redmi, and this phone is costing around 75,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have a 6000 mAh battery size, we have 108 megapixel main camera, and I am very late for this unboxing of the Redmi Note 15 because this phone it is not available near me. Also, we have 8 GB of RAM with the 256 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the forest green color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. So now let's quickly unbox this phone, and now let's see what is Redmi has to offer inside this Note 15. And the Note series, it is actually really popular in the Pakistan market, but nowadays it is not really worth it because before these smartphones are really value phone, they have the best specs in this price range, but now the Redmi Note 15 especially has a MediaTek Helio G100 Ultra SoC, so it is not the best SoC that we have in this price range. So now let's quickly open this box. We have HyperOS. What is the box? So here is the mini box, Redmi on the top. So here is the simulation tool, and also we have our quick start guide, and here is a silicone case. We have a soft silicone case. Here is the Redmi Note 15, so in the green color. Now let's start the phone from this wrapping, and as you can see, here is the green color looks like. On the back we have a matte finish. On the back looks like we have a dual cameras, which are the functional ones. In the back it is slightly curved. The back looks like it is made up of plastic, and the frame also it is made up of plastic. And this phone also has a IP64 water and dust resistance. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. This phone has a curved AMOLED display actually on the front, so Mi logo it is here. So let's see what else we get. And then the phone, as usual, we have our USB type C to USB A cable, nothing special. And here is a charger. So we have a 33 watt adapter we have inside the box. Right here looks like it's absolutely nothing. On the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as our SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this Redmi Note 15. So you can see we also have a micro SD card support, and also you can use a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. Rubber gasket also available. So on the left hand side absolutely nothing. On the top we have IR blaster, another microphone with another speaker. So volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button, it is on the right hand side. So on the back we have a dual cameras. We have 108 megapixel main camera. For the display, so this phone has a gorgeous looking 6.7 inch. We have full HD plus AMOLED with 120 Hz refresh rate. We have a curved AMOLED display, and the bottom unit is also really small. The bezels overall and the skin to body ratio, it feels really amazing. And also this phone feels really lightweight as well, although we have 6000 mAh battery size. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, there is the first boot of the Redmi Note 15. So here all the pre-installed apps on this Redmi Note 15. So looks like a lot of apps it is already installed. Now let's see the max brightness, and the display I would say looks really bright with 120 Hz, and the curved display it feels I would say really premium. So now let's go to the display section. So now let's see the refresh rate. So on default it is on the auto, but we have 120 Hz about phone, and this one is running on Android 15, which is not really latest in 2026. As you know, last security patch level we have at 125 for the 11th month. Guys, now let's see the fingerprint scanner. So you can see here is a fingerprint scanner looks like, and the fingerprint scanner it also works really fast. So now let's look at the camera. So this one actually has a single camera on the back. We have 108 megapixel main camera on the back. So here's the main camera looks like. So here is the video mode. Let's see video recording size. So on the back we have a full HD at 60 fps support. We don't have a 4K support. So here is the Ultra HD, and right here we also have our slow motion, and here is the portrait mode, and here is the pro mode. Now let's look at the front facing camera. So this one has a 20 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera I would say it is really decent, especially in this lighting condition, and the pictures came out I would say really nice, but in dark areas I see a lot of noise. Here is the video mode. So on the front looks like we only have a 1080p at 30 fps support, so video looks really grainy. So here is the portrait mode, and night mode it is actually looks like not available, which is a really disappointing thing. Now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this one has a 6000 mAh battery size. We have a 33 watt super fast charging, and this one definitely will give you a 1.5 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And the back cameras, it is this time it is not really solid. Even the processor it is not really solid, and other that, and the design language and the display it is really good on this Redmi Note 15. I wish that we have a 5G version of the Redmi Note 15 here in the Pakistan, but we only get the 4G variant. I definitely don't recommend the Redmi Note 15 if you're looking for a good all-round smartphone in this price range. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Redmi Note 15, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.